Hello everybody, this is Shivam and today I have got something amazing for my fans. Yes, what is this? Let's see. Let's visit listen.creativeshe.com first. And here I have this Shivam is listening to right. Yes, what I am listening to. You can see in real time by just visiting this website. This is my Pixel phone. This is my phone. Yeah, you will have to believe this. This is my phone. This is my actual phone. Yeah, and this is YouTube Music. And if I play something, let's play. I enjoy being a girl. Okay, refresh it. Oh my, like see how fantastic this is. Fantastic. I enjoy being a girl. Let's change. Uh, and if I refresh this, perfect, perfect. And if I pause it and if I refresh again, nothing. How amazing it is, guys. How amazing. And if you want to see all the previous tracks, just visit previous tracks. And you can see all the things I have listened to. When did I pause the music? It just updates to nothing. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. And if you will, let's play it. And if I have refresh, I will refresh and it should show pass me by. Amazing, amazing. And if I will go to my GitHub, let's this is my GitHub page and you can see it shows here. It's pretty perfect because this is an image. So open image in new tab. If I do this, you can see awesome. And this is the text which is getting updated. Yeah. And GitHub is doing this kind of thing, like they are doing some kind of caching here. I don't know why, but it's okay. So I to bypass all this, I put a lot of effort. So this works if I just change get happy. All right, and if I refresh this, it will be same. But if I refresh this, it's still same. This is not good, GitHub. You should let me just, if I go here, okay, it shows previous, like because I have done some pausing here, like I don't frequently just put requests on the server. And let's play love yourself. And you can see we have got this teeny tiny love yourself. And here we go. So this is perfect. Alright, so this is all about the thing which I made. But now let's see how it works. So the first thing what how it works is, guys, I have something here is called, like if you will just go here and you will have to listen to this music event, so which I am getting in notification. Alright, pretty straightforward and simple. So if any events happen, I capture that. But how do I capture it? It's Android, so everything is possible. So I have my app here called Tasker. Alright, so in Tasker I have media event. So what it does, whenever music track changes or it updates, it just gets fired. And after that I have a task. So we just, and you can see that I have this URL. And what it does, it just triggers a lambda function. And it goes and it in the query parameter I have empty track and empty state. So track is the track name and empty state is play or pause. And this is just it. Whenever something happens in the media event, it just makes a get request by using all this parameters. Alright, and let me just show you how is our server. Alright, so where is our server? So server is in my repositories. I am listening to, this is perfect name, and I don't have any readme. So if you will go in this function, and I have this two function update. So first what it does, it just accepts this thing and it generates SVG. Yes, and with in this link you can see, and you can read all these codes if you want, or you want me to explain, but it's pretty simple. I am just getting a token here, and I am using OctoKit library for updating the file SVG file on GitHub, right? So what I do after that is I just store it in a file buffer and I convert it into base 64 and I push it there. And for getting that image, I again wrote another function because GitHub has a default caching if I get image from their repository raw directly. And if I do this, so if I get into update in get image, so in get image I have this, so you can see it's pretty simple. I am again just getting that and I'm just returning this. So whenever someone makes a request to this function, they receive an image. All right, so it's just pretty simple. And if you want to try this, you can try it, right? And I will be making this public. All right, so I guess this is it for this video. I hope you liked this idea, you loved this idea, and if you did, make sure to share this with your friends, and I will see you again. Stay creative, keep creating awesome stuffs, and also share with me. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and if you want to support me, you can join my Patreon. Thank you, bye bye, I will see you soon.